Once Upon a Channel presents the mysterious dribbling noise. What is that mysterious dribbling noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Klay Thompson. Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Iggy Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Iggy Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Harrison. Klay Thompson.
Dream on!
Harrison.
Steph Curry! Steph Curry! Yeah! Steph Curry! Steph Curry! Ooh! Steph Curry! Steph Curry! Yeah! Steph Curry! Steph Curry! That's me! Steph!
Harrison.
I'm Stephen Curry! Stephen Curry! I'm Stephen Curry! Stephen Curry! Sing a song all day long and go!
I found the source of the dribbling. It's the king. LBJ, LBJ, ooh, LB, 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 LBJ.
Mwah, 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 mwah.